Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Computer Classes by Rachna. Today we'll be discussing the examples for database triggers. For those who have not seen my previous video about what are database triggers, they can go for the playlist of database triggers and watch that video first and then come back to see this example. So then you will understand it better. So first of all, let's see that this particular video is based on the examples that I created on 9th December 2025. Why I'm mentioning the date? Because there are few things related to a particular date, which is today's date, or you can say the date of 9th December 2025. So on the basis of that date, the example will vary, and that's why you must know the date on which the programs were run. All right. So let's read the first question. Create a table employee with employee ID, name, and salary. Create a database trigger to show a message congratulations for particular employee who gets promoted today. So here today means 9th of December 2025. All right. So now first of all, let's create the table. After that, we will add one more column, promotion, for the date, and then we will work on the database trigger. So first, it's simple to create a table. I hope you all know how to create a table in SQL. So to create a table in SQL, we have create table emp underscore Rachna, which is name of the table. Then we give the first column EID of type number. Then we give the second column name, varchar 215 is the data type of name. And then we take salary of type number and followed by semicolon. So table gets created. After that, here we are inserting the values one by one, row by row. So insert into table name, which is Rachna emp underscore Rachna, then values followed by the values that we have to give. So 1 Raman 30,000. Then you have the first row created. After that, second row, insert into table name values to Ashish 40,000. And this keeps on continuing until we create all the rows. After all the rows are created, we add one more column. How do we add a column? We add a column by altering the table. So we can give the statement alter table, table name, add the name of the column, promotion date. What should be the date? Data type. The data type of promotion date should be date itself. All right. So the table gets altered. Once the table gets altered, we are creating a trigger. So what is the trigger? See, first of all, we will give set server output on. In the practical, during the practical, you must give set server output on so that whatever output comes, you are able to see it on the screen. Then we give create or replace trigger TR1. This is how we create a trigger. After update. So after is meaning that we are creating an after trigger. So after update of promotion date on emp underscore Rachna. So after trigger is there. That's why we are giving after update of promotion date on emp underscore Rachna, which means promotion date is the column name and emp underscore Rachna is the table name. So we give the trigger basically on the column name and of the column name and on the table name. So after update of promotion date on emp underscore Rachna. Now, since it's a row trigger, we have row triggers, row wise trigger. So this is a row trigger. So for each row, what we have to do for each row, we are giving the condition when new dot promotion date is equal to system date. So new here means the changed value. So when the new dot promotion date becomes the system date is equal to the system date, what would be the system date? System date would be the today's date, and on that day it was 9th December 2025. So that would be the system date. Okay, and then we declare the trigger. So we take variable v underscore eid number equal to new underscore eid. So this is how we give the new value, the changed value. So we give a variable eid for employee id of the data type number is equal to new.eid. We use colon equal to for equal to symbol, and we also use colon new for the new value of the employee ID. So v underscore eid number is equal to new dot employee ID. Then we give the name because we need to have the ID and name of the employee. So v name within the variable name varchar 215, we are storing new dot name for the employee whose rows get selected. All right, so we put employee ID into vid, we put name into vname. Now we begin. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. So this is only for those employees who get the promotion today itself. All right, so the dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, so this will display congratulations employee id. The employee id is vid. All right, named, then we give vname. So this is vid, variable in which the id of the employee is stored. This is variable in which the name of the employee is stored. On your promotion today, so we are giving a message, congratulations to employee id this, name this, on your promotion today. Then we give end, and then we give slash, and then the trigger is created. So now whenever I'll update the date to today, what will happen? This trigger will be called. Since it is an after trigger, so as soon as the row will be updated to today's date, the trigger will be called. So let's take an example. Update emp underscore rachna, which means update table name, set promotion date equal to system date, where employee id equal to 4. So what we are doing, we are changing the employee id 4 having a promotion date as today. So employee id 4 is priya. We are updating the value of priyas, and we have added a promotion date as a column, and we are putting that date as today for employee id 4. All right, so what will happen, the moment we give this, we will have a message, congratulations employee id 4 named priya on your promotion today, and one row gets updated. So I hope you have understood what we did. We created a table first. The name of the table is employee. We added employee ID, name and salary to it. After that, after creating this table, we added one more column by altering the table. So alter table, table name, add promotion date, date. Table was altered. Earlier, all the rows were having blank in the promotion date after altering the table. Then we created a trigger. That trigger was create or replace trigger tr1 after update of promotion date on the table name for each row when new dot promotion date equals to system date. When the promotion date becomes the system date, we declare two variables, variable id, variable for employee id and variable for name, and they are equal to the new dot employee id and new dot name, which means the row whose promotion date is equal to system date. For those IDs, they get stored in VID and VName. And then we display dbms dot underscore output dot put underscore line. This is a way to display in SQL. Congratulations, employee ID, VID, named VName on your promotion today. And then we end it. So the trigger is created. Then as soon as we update the table, update table emp underscore rachna, set promotion date equal to system date, where eid equal to 4 for employee id 4, we set the promotion date to today, and what will happen, it will give congratulations employee id 4 named priya on your promotion today, and we get one row updated. So hope you have understood this example. Thank you so much.